All right. I'm eating a cosmic brownie. You know, just had to. And according to my clock, I'm on time for a stream. That's pretty awesome. I've played around a lot with the audio, so hopefully my microphone sounds good. I switched out my display and everything. I now have 1440p, my 32-inch Dell 1440p inch monitor, and inch monitor, 1440p monitor, whatever, and my Ultrawide. So I finally got it put up on the stand, which was an absolute workout. And I needed my mom to help me. Like, this monitor is so heavy. Trying to hold it up with one arm is, oh, it's a pain. But I've been working on the game today, just a little bit. I was also considering, I was having some issues. I was considering leaving Windows and just trying to see if I could load up the project in Linux, in Unreal, and see if I had any problems. But the issues have magically gone away, so yeah. Scott, how's it going? How's it going, brother? Hope you're doing well. I'm devouring this cosmic brownie. It is something else. I love these things. They're so good. They're fantastic. But let me go ahead and show what I've gotten done so far. So we can hide the UI and everything. Got a nice little animation for sliding away. Here in a second we'll level up. All right, and when we level up, I can no longer input any controls. I can't hide anything. All the enemies freeze, the blood gems freeze. I believe they freeze. I'm pretty sure they do. I don't think they'll keep coming into you, but they also won't keep, I don't know, we'll have to figure out whether or not it's going to keep working. But we can just forfeit anything here because we don't have the lightning. That's the only thing I would care about. Let's see. Oh no. Our arrows don't keep firing. That's okay. It's probably something dumb that I didn't just rehook up. So we delay. Oh yeah, because we need to recall this again. So are we using the event tick? Yes, we are. Whoa. What the fuck? No wonder we're having bad performance. I finally found it. I know what it is. We're doing an expensive operation on the fucking event tick. What the fuck was I thinking? This is not okay. This is not okay at all. Oh, okay. Control C. This needs to be done down here when we first fire our player weapons. Here. Oh. Let me copy these things, make sure I've got them copied, and just grab this. And rest of y'all, move y'all out. then Control V right in here. Do doobity do. Whoops. Come on. Write this out and then complete it in there. Oh, wait, we had it up here, but we were doing it every 15 seconds. But still. Well, no, because this was recalled. Yeah. Every frame, yeah. That's not a good idea at all. We don't need any delay there. Here at all. Maybe gonna go back. Why not? Why are you gonna go back? What makes you say that? I mean, other than Linux is fun, you know? So, what we can do, shows this right here. So we update the array right before we call refire. I think that works swimmingly. So after we're done firing our arrows, then we'll update the array of vectors. Yeah. Hold on, let me show FPS. Oh, do need to plug in my headphones. That way they don't echo back through the microphone. Let's see. Let's choose plasma rifle. Oh, why is our shit not firing? I must be missing something. Yeah. We need to set it up so that on the event tick, delete this, get rid of that, and we're gonna do Our game mode. How are we going to do this? I'm trying to think what's the best way. We want to call player weapons when unlock mode. So we need to call player mode or player weapons again. Oh, wait, hold on. I know what we should do. Here in the game mode, when we call timeout unlock, we should call oh, do we not have it? Trying to think, we can call, oh yes, 100%. This stream is going to go on for quite a while. I should get sleep too, but no. I'll just eat my cosmic brownie and connect up my pretty nodes. So here's the interesting thing. We essentially just have to call player weapons again whenever unlock here is called, timeout unlock. That'll be perfect. So, up here to begin play, we need to get the game mode, cast to the top-down game mode, the specific one that we're using. Then as it, we need we need to promote this to a variable. That's what we need to do. Connect that in there. Take all this and plug it up in there. All perfect light. And we're going to name this. We'll just remove that as part. Top-down game mode. Cool. And then when we time out the unlock, we're going to get this. We're going to do a call. And we're going to call timeout unlock. Oh, wait. No, shit. What am I trying to do? Player weapons. That's what I'm trying to do. On the player. Shit. Not the game mode. Don't worry. Hold on. Delete. This. Delete. Okay. Now, come off. Just get player pawn. Then cast to top down Michael. There we go. Now, as top down Michael, promote this to a variable. Then we're going to name it top down Michael. Then connect this up with this. Bada bing. Okay. Now take our top down Michael, get that, call player weapons. No. We want to do this before we set the unlock mode off. Wait, no, yes, no, we do want to do this after. Never mind. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to me. Okay, so this should work now. Because the only reason it wasn't working is we only call player weapons at the beginning. And then when we stop it here, when we're in, like we don't call refire, or we don't let refire run when we're in the unlock mode. So now when we leave the unlock mode, we should start firing again. So everything should work. We should be good. Good. We're gonna see. God. Where the fuck am I shooting at? Who's the bitch down here that I keep firing at? Oh. Where the fuck are you shooting? Oh, we got XP. Alright, let's do fireball. There we go. Sick. Sick. Cool beans, cool beans. Dude, this is coming along nice. You have a fully functioning like inventory system. We're getting items and stuff added. Oh, I didn't realize I chose the same weapon. We have working health system, leveling system, upgrading system. Now I just need to play long enough to see if we're having the issue of it like double leveling up, which we shouldn't. Electric rain. Yeah, that way we get our added damage. We're gonna need it. Yeah. Rain. So now we need to figure out why our text isn't changing as we level stuff up. Oh. All right. Oh, no. No. Oh. I keep leveling it up. What? Oh no. Nearest actor. So you tried to access BP Zombie out of the out actors, but they weren't there because they were dead. Okay. Hmm. I don't know. We might just have to set it to like where we remove it. Remove whichever one they fire at from the array. Or something. I don't know. We essentially don't need any of the arrows going at the same nearest enemy or something. Even though the additional arrows shouldn't. We should, but listen. Oh, what's up, O'Shea? How's it going? How's it going? How are we gonna do this? Oh yeah, I need to turn on some music. I totally forgot about that. Playlist. Yeah, here we go. Yeah. Get this. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the. Oh no! Ah, shoot. Whoops. And pin that to my taskbar too. The rest put me to the test. Expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess. What's happening next? He got the venom, a tangible weapon. No coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine. It's a blessing. New focus, no guessing. Just bold an obsession. All in his possession. You got their attention. I leave an impression. Yeah. Except this is actually like, it makes a lot more sense than Jack. Like, it makes a lot more sense than Jack. I mean, especially if you, like, if you know what, like, item we're on, like if you know which thing that we're on, then it makes so much more sense. Because like all of these are just functions that are like here, like refire, or I mean, excuse me, not refire, like base arrow here. It's just, you know, this function right here, which we just call. But we need to refresh the actors, I guess more often. Oh, wait, I know a better way of doing this. What we can do is each time we go through it, we take what we're actually using, do a reroute here. We're going to take what we use, Ah, no. Give me another reroute node. Thank you. And then what we'll do is also take our out actors. And we're gonna remove item. Okay. Okay. So the first one, I guess we can't remove it from the array. Well, no, because we're finding the nearest actor. We need to take this actor object reference and get a BP zombie 1 object reference. Okay. Class. Get object class. No. I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you. We died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous. Scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Ah, here we go. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard. I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love. You never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad. I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. Go. Cast to this. And then as that. Oh. Remove from the array. Remove it from the array. Perfect. Okay. Compile. Save. And then all we gotta do is add a little bit of extra logic in here. Just a little bit, just a wee bit. Okay. So we're going to take this over, and then we're going to go to the event graph, Control C, Control V, oh, Control V. Perfect. Awesome. So now, if the array is empty, then we'll get more actors. We'll figure out all the zombies on the map, and then call refire. That way we only check for zombies when we can't, like when we don't know any more to fire at. That's going to be way more performant. Way more performant. Delete this here so we can get it from there now. All right. Now we need to add this type of logic to the additional arrow and to fire electric rain. So let's go to the base arrow, and we need to remove our object from it. So we get a random one from the array. We can just reroute this. This is actually going to be easier on these, where we get a random one. We don't even have to cast to it or anything. Ah. Right. Yeah. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. And then we're gonna remove. Oh wait, whoops. We also got to get the array. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for. Believe me. All right. And actors. Shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. Remove. Just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. Cool. Awesome. So we remove it there. File. Save. Oh no. Ooh, whoops. Shit. Where were we? Yeah, BB tail down. Our character. Let's go here. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work. All right. Bada bing, bada boom. Got all that fixed and working. This could be brought up more, and this could go down here. Cool. I don't know why I'm being such a neat freak. Okay. So we got this going on here. Fire, electric, rain. Now for this one, we're getting a random one. Oop. We're gonna take off of here. We're gonna do a reroute node. And do another reroute node. Hope everyone's doing good though. If you're actually watching this nightmare of code. Let me go here to reroute node. To remove item. File save, perfect. Event graph, fire. Let's see how all this works. Excuse me. That was gross. Something's definitely off now. Hold on, something's off. Yeah. Attempted to access. Access none, trying to read property call fun array out item. Oh, so when we're spawning this one, when we're trying to get it here, it's saying none. Right, that's what it's telling me, right? Access none, trying to read property. Garbage. Spawn actor. I think the real reason it's not working is because it's saying that it can't get it here. Which doesn't make any sense. Like every time we fire, we remove what we fired at from the array. Okay.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict. Do I gotta have it? I ain't even playing. Gotta really
Find nearest actor. Is not valid. Pending or killing garbage.
I ain't playing. Got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine.
I don't even understand this.
Nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball. I'm a really big hitter. Big picture. I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas. I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks. Like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me. Never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. And that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the
Like I don't get it. Why?
That's what it takes. I take shots to the top, I'll get it. I got one life, I'ma do all to win it. I do what's right, pushing till I fall. I'm slipping to get back up, always stand tall, I'm grinning. I got cuts real deep, big bruises scarred. I had to learn how to think with my head not hard. I've been chewed up, spit out, torn apart. But picking up all the pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. And that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Since we're casting to it after we've already fired the projectile, might be a problem. I don't know. This is very weird. Ugh. How do we do this where we just remove it? We just want to make sure this array never ends up with nothing in it. Nothing in it. And that we don't fire at anything twice. Or try to fire something else at it. Because if we do that and it's already dead, then this is gonna freak out.
Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots.
No idea how we're gonna do this.
Great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
Why does not work?
I got tired eyes, need a cup of blood. blend, that's right. In the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb. A new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes.
Oh.
Time while I move passing by.
Well, we remove something from fire, electric, rain. And I think that's the last thing we do in our list. And everything else.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head.
Or else that we call refire, it's there. So I guess, you know what? I guess we'll add it back here. Let's see if that fixes the errors that we're having. How much one bit it does.
So cold, behold, frostbite, they feeling. I could tear you apart, or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste, and my mind starts feeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little
Okay.
time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb.
Oh, we upgraded to level 1. I need to fix that. We're gonna fix that so it doesn't pop up down there. We'll probably make it pop up here or some shit. Free. All right, this is working great. And we're still getting a shitload of errors. Come on. Okay. Component. Let's do the removing before we fire the projectile. Maybe that fixes it. Who knows? Let's at least give it a shot. Doesn't require that much of a change at all. We're just gonna see if that fixes the error. Stop. Okay, that cleared up. Seems like it cleared up some. Not really. Is it just because these are like we're casting to something that's being destroyed, and that's why it's giving us that? Alright, so if I completely remove these, just all together. I just plug this shit in here. File, save. What that reloading there was. No. Attempted to access is not found. Why are we getting it's not valid? Like, how are we ending up with deleted ones in here? Like, dead guys should not be getting called. Pending killer garbage. Because the one we're trying to access is already dead. Hmm. Wait, I think I know how we can fix this. I think I know. So all we have to do is we get the, when we find the nearest actor here, go up here and promote to local variable or variable. Yeah, promote to a variable. And this variable we're going to call closest enemy. Perfect. And our closest enemy here, we're going to set right here. There we go. So we'll set the closest enemy. And then fire as we normally would. Then what we'll do is we'll add a check. Before we do the rest of this shit. Control C, Control V. Then we'll take this, find the nearest actor, get this, and if this is not equal, to get the closest enemy that we got, that we set before, as long as this is not equal here, go to branch, then we will continue on with this. Drag and plop that in there. And take this over. So yeah, we'll try and find the nearest actor and then compare him to our closest enemy variable, and by default it just like won't be, it'll just be a blank actor, so it'll be different obviously the first time. And then as long as that's true, run through here and do everything. If it's false, then well, if it's false, then I guess we'll just so if the nearest actor get all actors of class and refire. Perfect. That fixed it. Awesome. Awesome. And that means we don't fire at the same closest enemy multiple times. Let's keep playing and see how this works. I mean, so far it's working nice. Let's see. The plasma rifle, even though it doesn't matter. Electric rain. Oh, we got the arrow upgrade. I totally forgot about that. Let's do fireball. Oh, we got another arrow upgrade. I didn't even notice that. Oh, shit. No, no, it's still happening. Oh my god. In the random array. I guess the random actor that we get, everything has to be set. Well, when this falls here, we probably just need to skip that and go in there. Go straight into refire. Because that probably reduces performance quite a bit. And we don't necessarily need a new array. We just don't need to fire. Well, no. Oh, this is so difficult. This part of bug fixing is a nightmare. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I can tell a noticeable difference in performance off the bat, and we seem to be doing just fine. Can I not get electric rain? Come on. I really want all the particle systems going. I mean, this game will be very much so difficult on the GPU. That's for damn sure. Okay. Yeah, see the performance decrease. It's pretty extreme as we start adding on weapons. Stop. But we also have a for each loop here. Yeah, we got to get these weapons added in here, get them working right, and also not have them error out anything. So this time, we didn't have any problems. So can we do like a check on this for like garbage? Is actor being destroyed? Return true if this actor is currently being destroyed. Some game events may be unsafe. Not. Not Boolean. So as long as this is not true. Grab that, grab this. And that. Drop these down. Like so. Grab all this, bring it down, take this up here. So as long as the actor is not being destroyed, then continue on and remove it. If it is, then don't. Compile, save, fire electric rain. Well, let's actually keep playing. If we see anything more about the additional arrow, then we know we got a problem. That should keep us from ever continuing on with anything if that actor is being destroyed. Why am I not like this? I have to say, where's my electric rain at? Thing is working. We're getting performance issues faux show. Oh, this shit. Nice. Yeah, see, now we're up into the 20 milliseconds. It's probably because of all of this. All of this was in fire electric rain. Cool. So this right here, I think works. That's pretty awesome. There, compile and save. False here. We don't need to do the refire call again. We want to keep going with everything else instead of calling it and then going back in here. Yeah, no. You're getting terrible performance scaling here. Terrible. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, got an amber alert. Yeah. Performance just keeps going down, keeps tanking. Man, oh shit. I have no idea. Manny, how's it going? This is rough. I don't know why we're having such terrible performance scaling as we go up the ladder. More and more weapons firing. Because, I mean, we are doing it one after another. It's not like it's trying to all happen at the same time and shit like that. We're having errors where it's trying to spawn it. And it's like, this thing is already pending killer garbage, which makes no fucking sense. Because the only way that this runs is if the nearest actor is not the same as when we get it the first time. Otherwise it just runs, you know, like the first arrow will fire no problem. After that, if it's the same as we got last time, we don't fire, we just move on. And like I'm so confused. And then if the array is empty, we don't do anything. Like, just so far confused. Don't understand it. Yeah. I have no idea. Say, well, I'm completely lost right now, and yeah, I have no idea. How in the world we go about fixing this? I have no idea. Because our nearest actor should, theoretically, not be a problem. Theoretically. Theoretically. But that's not the case. Not one bit. Good. Dibbly dop. You know what? I might just have to go in and do something. Wait, hold on. Why aren't you playing? Oh, I had to turn on not to loop. We definitely want looping music. Come on. We want background music. Duh. Come on. Give me background music. We need it. Let's see. You know what? I've backed up all my info and I've been really considering going over to Linux. And I did kind of tell myself if I had any really big problems today, I'd go ahead and try it out. And try compiling Unreal Engine 5 in Linux. So you know what? I guess that's what I'm going to do. Dude, I love like my monitor setup. My monitor setup is so fucking aggressive. I've got a 32-inch curved Dell monitor in front of me and an ultra-wide. Like, it's so nice. And mounted on the stand and everything, it's just, oh, it's so beautiful. So good. So good. Well, let's see. Go to my downloads. Yep, got Rufus here. Yes. Oh wait, hold on. Yeah, you can check for updates. Hold on, let me minimize you, because yeah, I've got my 64 gigabyte USB in there. Yeah, and it's already a Linux drive, so it doesn't even show up. What Linux distro should I choose? That's a good question. I really don't know. See, this is the problem. I've been open to the idea of trying out KDE and its newest thing. I wish SteamOS would just come out for the desktop. That would make choosing a Linux distro so easy, like too easy. SteamOS 3, boys. When is that gonna fucking drop? Wait, hold on. Wait, what? Hold on. Pause. Music. Minimize. Mute the ad. You can now install SteamOS using Halo ISO. Let's fucking see this. By the way, if you guys don't know ETA Prime, he's got a great channel.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's ETA Prime back here again. Today I am super excited because we can finally install SteamOS 3.0 on different devices. Be it a handheld like we have here, this is the Aya Neo Next. You can install it on a mini PC, a desktop, or a laptop, but you will need an AMD GPU with Vulkan and VDPAU support. So this isn't official from Valve. Valve hasn't released anything but a Steam Deck recovery image when it comes to SteamOS 3.0 or up to 3.2 right now as I'm making the video. But some really talented developers over on GitHub got a hold of that Steam Deck image and have created kind of an ISO that'll allow you to install it on basically any system with an AMD GPU. This is known as Hollow ISO. The code and packages are straight from Valve with 0 possible edits, and the ISO is being built with the official Steam Deck recovery image. And this is running in QEMU on this device here, or any other device you install it on. We do have a full Linux desktop here based on Arch, and all in all, we might as well be running that Steam Deck recovery image on this device. So this is known as the Aya Neo Next. We've got a Ryzen 7 5800U, 8 cores, 16 threads, 16 gigabytes of LPDDR4X, and the Radeon Vega 8 GPU. If you're not familiar with these devices, I'll leave the full specs in the description. And initially, I was going to do a full install tutorial on Hollow.
Hold on. Wait, what? SteamOS 3 Hollow Arch ISO configuration. This project attempts to bring Steam Deck's Hollow OS into a generic installable format and provide a close to official SteamOS experience. Yo, what the fuck? This is lit. Boot up SteamOS, Steam Deck UI, first boot experience, Steam Deck separate session, global shader pre-caching, switch to desktop from Plasma to Plasma without user interface, Valve's exclusive Vapor appearance for KDE Plasma, Steam Deck Pac-Man mirrors, cool looking NeoFetch question mark, and system updates. NVIDIA GPU. So some like obviously this is going to be built with AMD in mind. So AMD RX Vega APUI GPU, 5000 or 6000 series GPU. I've got that. Can do, no problem. UEFI enabled device, don't worry, it's all good. Disabled secure boot, can do. Bruh, SteamOS on the desktop, fuck yeah, let's do it. Okay, this is awesome. Okay, yeah, bruh, like, let's do it. Installation, flash the ISO from releases. Boot into ISO, run hollow install. Enter drive node. Take your favorite hot beverage and wait till it installs. Dude, okay. You'll be greeted with Steam Deck's OOBE screen. From there, you'll connect to your network and log into your Steam account. From there, you can exit to KDE Plasma seamlessly by choosing Switch to Desktop in the power menu, like so. Wait, do they have like a little video? Dude, I am so used to this project. This is awesome. This is awesome. SteamOS on the desktop. Yo. Bro, even if Steam doesn't release SteamOS for the desktop, they don't need to. This is awesome. So wait, he's just booting up into it, right? Like that was just the whole boot up. Yeah. And he's switching to the desktop. Dude, okay. Oh wait, shit. Let's go back to the website. Okay, yeah. Sign me up. I want it. I definitely want it. I want it very much so. This is awesome. Like, yes, just give me the releases. ISO update 1. This addresses one issue with the installer. Fixed home mounting path. Cool. That's it. Just had to fix the home mount path. Okay. ISO link, or I can get the source code. Oh, the ISO comes as a zip. Interesting. I'm gonna guess this is definitely a project that probably is not receiving any funding as of yet. Considering that this ISO update was 9 days ago. Snapshot 5, like, this is a recent project.
Low ISO, but the updates on this are coming out rapid fire.
This is awesome.
Changing constantly.
Mintalk, how's it going? Dude, we're getting SteamOS for the desktop. Yeah, that's what's going on. They have Steam OS 3 for the desktop. Like, it's a thing. Like, people have come together to package Steam OS into a desktop image, and like, yeah, it's a thing. This is awesome. Yeah, wow. I am very excited. I'm definitely installing SteamOS on my desktop, 100%. I've got all of my shit backed up to my big hard drive. I've got my SSD backup. I backed it up this morning. And I don't care if I lose whatever progress I made on the project right now. I'm just gonna get this, and I'll try compiling Unreal Engine 5 on it. If it doesn't work, I don't give a shit, dude. If this works well, I'm using SteamOS on the desktop. Like, this is awesome. This is an open source project that I will definitely be donating to. If they have somewhere that I can make a donation or something to, like, fucking yes sir. This is what open source is all about. Dude, I'm such a simp for Valve. Like, if we're being honest, I'm such a simp for Valve. I love Valve. Valve is they're just an awesome fucking company. They're a company that I have a massive amount of respect for because they make a ton of money, and they're also not utter assholes. They just can't count to 3. That's their only big flaw, you know? Oh, Ashtray, I'm sorry, I didn't even see your chat. Yes. Unreal Engine does work for me on Linux. Unreal Engine 5 has some quirks where some things don't work. As far as I know, everything that I need for my project should work, but we're going to have to find out. Buddy's having a nightmare behind me. I can hear him whining. Give me a second. Wait, hold on. I'll throw up the intermission screen. So, hey, buddy, come here, buddy, come here, buddy, come here. Yeah, come here. You have a nightmare. Yeah, you have a nightmare. He's okay. You're okay. Yeah, you're okay. He's okay. All right. I mean, gotta make sure Buddy's okay. Got to. You know, gotta take care of my buddy. Just got to. Oh, you're gonna install a 2-min talk? Word. Awesome. Let's do it. Switch back over here. The download takes a while. I'm gonna assume a lot of fucking people are downloading this right now, because they've even packaged the ISO as a zip. So I also kind of want to figure out how fucking big it is. I mean, it's an Arch ISO, but it's got a lot of Valve extras in it. So I'm gonna assume we've got quite a bit on this download. All right, let's watch this video.
So I'm going to wait a few days till it dies down a bit, then I'll do a full tutorial. But if you want to install it, there is a tutorial over on their GitHub. And by the end of this video, we'll kind of breeze through that. But as you can see, we've got the Steam Deck overlay right here. And I'm using that 5800U. Unfortunately, this TDP slider isn't working with the 5800U. Not sure if it works with any other devices. And the GPU slider isn't working with the built-in Radeon Vega 8 graphics. So it's going to be set at what I have it set at in the BIOS.
Okay, so that makes a lot of sense. Like, essentially what he's saying is the GPU and CPU, the TDP scaler and all that stuff isn't working on his model, and it's probably not going to work on most other models than the specific Steam Deck. That makes a lot of sense. Got you.
But we do have system-wide FSR. We also have the Mango HUD overlay, which can be adjusted from the settings here. And we can lock the FPS at 15, 30, 60, or unlock just like
System-wide FSR. Let me check. AMD FSR. Fidelity FX. So, okay. So we have system-wide FSR in there. So that means, wait, hold on. So that means we can scale, like we can. Yo. Okay. Okay. Wait, hold on. Is my FSR here enabled? Like Radeon. Isn't there some Radeon shit like Adrenaline software? Some shit. Open it. Skip this. Is FSR enabled? Performance. Gaming, maybe. No. Is it in settings? Perhaps. FSR. Some shit. We're looking for you. Oh. AMD FreeSync virtual super resolution. Isn't that what FSR is? Virtual super resolution. Fidelity FX. Super resolution 2.0. Allows applications to render resolutions higher than the pixel grid and then scales images down. Produces higher quality visuals at the expense of performance. Choose a higher than native resolution in an application to take advantage of VSR. Okay. You know what? Fuck you know. I don't need that. Whatever.
we can on the Steam Deck. Seems like everything's working really well on the Aya Neo Next, aside from some little readings that are coming out a little funky, but we've got that brightness slider. We can turn it to night mode. One thing I'd like to see in a future release is kind of a hotkey button so we can bring this menu up in game. Right now I don't have an extra button set up, but if we head over here to our general section, we can check for updates from the Steam Deck UI here. And just want to show you that we are on a 5800U. This is not
Are you a marketing explorer? It's time to increase revenue.
No,
with
I'm
Taboola
not. But
native
thanks for
ads.
asking. Get out of here, ad.
Steam Deck UI running in Windows on this device. Basically, SteamOS 3.0 for all kinds of devices. And like I mentioned, this is going to get better. Hopefully, we get a
This is going to be
TDP slider
awesome.
that'll
This is
allow us
going to be
go
this is going to be really awesome. I think he's fine. I think he's fine. Yeah. Yeah. He's good.
over 15 for devices like this.
hate
Because,
these
you know, when it
ads.
comes to
How-
5800U with those
All right, we're
8
at
cores and
610
16 threads, it does
megabytes.
need
Hold on, let's see. As far as I know, Arch is around 755 megabytes, and I'm going to assume that this is going to be much larger. Like, I'm going to assume that SteamOS 3 is probably going to be like around 1.5 gigs. I'm going to assume. And their download speed is shaista. I mean, it's not really that bad. I'm getting like 10 megabytes a second, but still. Like, come on.
need a little more wattage. But while I'm here,
Normally,
I
I can get an
show you a
ISO
few
much
games running.
faster.
We're going to start out with Cyberpunk 2077. I'm not going to turn FSR on. When we get over to Elden Ring, I'll show you that that does work with this unit here. It's actually pretty cool that it works on a device other than the Steam Deck. And I personally can't wait to install this on a desktop PC where we can modify the BIOS and get some higher TDPs out of a nice desktop APU and see what happens with this operating system. I will have
yes,
a video
sir.
like that coming up soon, so keep an eye on the channel. But let's jump right into some Cyberpunk 2077 gameplay on this unit. So we've got Mango HUD running over in the left-hand side here, and it shows that my GPU wattage is up there at 65. This is not running at 65 watts, but the APU is running higher than the Steam Deck's APU. If we take a
Dude,
look
I'm
at
definitely
total
doing a
system
video
power
on this
consumption down near the
100%.
bottom, we're at around
110,000 fucking
These
percent.
non-custom mobile APUs. In order to get the maximum performance out of that GPU and all 8
dude.
cores, definitely needs more than 15 watts like the Steam Deck runs at. Next up, we've got Elden Ring, and I do have
Dude, I will be
FSR turned on.
heartbroken if this
take a look at
doesn't run
Mango
on my
HUD, you can see I
desktop.
also have sharpness turned to 5. This was just the setting I was messing around with. I figured I'd go ahead and film it.
I'm going to be
Not bad at
completely
all, but
honest.
I do
If this
notice,
works
you know,
really well on
power
my computer, I'm going to have a
consumption should be a bit more
boner
out of this
like throughout the
APU
entire
this game.
install
So I'm
and like
wondering what kind of
setup
CPU governor
process.
setting it's using right now. I know I can get a
Like,
little more out of
oh,
this
this
game
is
here
gonna
with a
be
little more wattage,
awesome.
but it just doesn't seem to pull it all the way.
I will be sexually
That's actually one of the
stimulated
reasons I had
throughout
to
this
plug in right
install.
now. I wanted to see if that
That's,
would make a
that's how
difference.
excited I
On
am
battery
about this.
or on wall power doesn't seem to make a difference whatsoever, at least at
Dude,
the time
I'm
of making
such
this
a
video.
simp for Steam. Good lord. Wait, hold on.
And the last one here, Beam NG Drive. So this
Wow,
is
that sounded
really
so
fun on the
weird. It
handheld,
sounded like
and
it was
does
coming
work
out of
really
my
well
own
with the Steam
desktop
Deck.
speakers.
We seem to be getting 60 FPS here with the same settings, and it's definitely playable like this.
Yeah, this is gonna be great.
So
Oh.
like I mentioned, this is known as Hollow ISO.
Come on,
I
bro,
will leave the
use
link to
Dark
the
Reader.
GitHub
Come
in the
on, use
description.
Dark Reader.
You can go ahead and install it now if you want to. There's tons of information over here, but I would personally wait a couple days as of this video releasing because the development on this operating system is full steam ahead. Common questions, is it official? No, but it might as well be 99% of the way there. The code and the packages are straight from Valve with 0 possible edits. Working stuff, boot up SteamOS, OOBE, Deck UI, TDP, and FPS limiting. So for the 5800U, or at least my system right now, I can't get the TDP setting working. FPS limiting is working. Global FSR, which is really awesome. Shader pre-caching. It's got a full desktop operating system. Known issues. So NVIDIA GPUs are not supported, at least at the time of making this video. Intel GPUs require a game scope and Mesa downgrade in order to boot into the Steam Deck sessions. So I guess Intel GPUs are working, but I gotta say, if this is received well, I think we'll get NVIDIA support and Intel support, you know, straight out of the box
We want
sooner than later.
We've got a. They build it with a few different types of like you can install 3 different types. You can get a bare bones installation, which is very much like a vanilla Arch. Game only, where you get the Steam Deck UI only. AMD GPU only, no desktop. As said, this doesn't ship any DE and only has a Steam Deck UI installed. This part is currently under a renovation. Okay, I guess this is being, worked on. And then the deck periods, which is this is like the regular Steam Deck, like just full what you would get on a Steam Deck, all of the packages straight from Valve, and the proper UI switching between all that stuff. That's what we want. This is just chef's kiss, baby. Chef's fucking kiss. Please, in the off chance that I do a video on this, and remind me in Discord, like just over the next couple of days, if you think about it, just be like, don't forget, if you make a video, to fucking tell them to make it very easy to find a place to support them, because I want to give them fucking money. I need to point that out in the video, because like, god damn it, I like, oh, this is well worth like $5 a month. Like, yes, bring me Valve. I got him in. It's, wait, what? How much is it? So it's like a gig. Let's see. Yep. Let's open this up. Extract all. Extract the ISO. So what? It's about a gig. Go to properties. Yeah, 1.1 gigs. Yeah, it's actually not as it's not as big as I thought it would be. I thought it would be bigger, if I'm being honest. So let me go into Rufus, my 64 gig, select hollow ISO, and flash it. Right ISO image. Cool, cool, cool. Yes. Flash my drive. Give me... I don't give a shit, man. Wipe it. Wipe it. Arch, you are worth it. Or excuse me, not Arch. SteamOS.
There's a couple different installation types. You can go bare bones, game only, deck experience. This is the full SteamOS 3 experience, which is the one I installed on the Aya Neo Next. Shows you how to install it, got some screenshots, but yeah, I mean, this is really awesome, and I can't wait to test it on other devices.
Yeah.
I've got all kinds of Ryzen laptops laying around I want to test this on, and just a dedicated little build with something like the 5600X, and one of my favorite low-powered AMD GPUs right now, the RX 6400.
This is pretty lit.
Not a super powerful card, but I think it would do pretty well with this operating system paired up with a decent CPU.
Yeah.
To get to the release section, you can head right over here in releases.
This is fantastic. Okay. Dude, people are making videos on this.
Mother, wife.
Good.
I am driven, sometimes funny, and carefree.
Independent,
Dude.
educated, and mom.
Determined.
Yeah, I mean, like, look, the Air Force, all great, but just can we please not show me this many ads? Yep, see, he's done a video on Hollow ISO.
2012, and here in 2022,
What the fuck
they
is
might
that
finally be
thing?
onto something.
With 13 programmable keys, along with addressable RGB, any gamer can customize the look and feel.
Bring console-like ease of use over to PC gaming. For the first 7 years, it relied entirely on developers releasing games for Linux, which, as you can
remember this
imagine,
UI.
saw little to no buy-in. While playing Windows-based games on Linux has been possible for decades with the help of Wine, compatibility has Asus ROG Strix Z69...
Oh my god, okay, yeah, this is just like a shitload of B-roll, okay? No. I'm too excited about this shit, man. This is gonna be awesome. It's gonna be so good. Okay. Alright. I'm installing this shit on my main drive, dude. Fuck Windows. Windows can get the fuck out of here. So yeah, I'm gonna hop on Discord. I'm gonna end the stream because the stream has completely ended. Now it's SteamOS time now. If you guys want to hop over on Discord, I'll be over there, obviously, with Mintog in general chat or general talk, whatever. So yeah, I will see you guys over there soon. See ya. Let's go. Okay, I'm clicking everywhere but